Guys, this is Vinod from Secrets of My Trades. So today this present the video go to knowledge purpose. So how to draw the lines and that line makes how to make money. So we try to give some clear explain on those things. First of all, I go to Wipro. This is a Wipro chart. So how to draw the line? So here buyers and sellers is there. So buyers, they're rejecting the points. You see that here the points will be rejected. Rejecting the pressure will be, the seller pressure will be handling continuously 1 2 3 4 candles. Afterwards you see that the fall happen one by one. Afterwards you see that buyer rejected is there. So selling pressure is finished, so buying pressure will happen. So continuously the market will be going ups. So the market is ups and downs on based on two lines. You see that how we create the two lines. It's very easy. You may connecting the one or two, maximum 1 or 2 rejection of buyers and 1 or 2 rejection of sellers. You may draw it 1 2 points. Here 1 2 3 points will be rejected. So you see that afterwards. So maximum this month is highly predictable months. Once they break our line, so this is our line, 330 is the line. Then afterwards break, the suddenly went up, the market is 378. So you wait and watch of coming days. Once they break the line, definitely it goes up and ups. So you see, once again I repeat that you may draw the lines wherever rejection will be happen. Buyers and sellers, where rejection, here you see that one more time, sellers pressures hugely happen. It's not breaking these lines, so easily they break one by one. Here buyers pressure is there, so buyers will be dominated in this point. This went up. So like this, market is goes ups and then fall. So touch the line, then afterwards selling pressure is there, the market will fall. Then again the buying pressure is happened, so market went up. Like this, then break the line, the market will be easily went up. So first of all, you may draw the line. How we draw the line? Minimum 1 and then 2 rejection points you may mark it. So it's number 1, this is number 2. 2 selling pressures you mark it, and then buying pressure 1 2 3. You may mark the 3 lines. Then you see that selling pressure and then buying pressure. So here the buying pressure will be happens, the markets went up, and then the selling pressure happened, the market fall down and then went up and then fall down. So market is intermediate that point in HDFC Bank. So we not predicated market will goes ups or downs in swing trade. So next weeks, next month, once we will break this two line, definitely we have predicate easily market will fall down or fall up. Then you see the Hindustan Unilever. These lines will be created in the manner of different technical names. The lines are channel pattern, triangle pattern, ascending pattern, elite wave theories. Lot of is that we see the one by one in basics onwards coming videos. Now we see how to draw the line and how to draw the line with using buying pressure and then selling pressure. You see that, guys. One more time I have repeated in Hindustan Unilever. So your first buying pressure and then market second buying pressure and nearby third. You see that same thing is happening. Selling pressure is 1 2 and then 3. Now what happening really, guys, the market will be between the gap. What trying to say these two lines? These two lines what trying to say? So here sellers will be dominated, here buyers are dominated. So market, how they draw the line? So easily you know that the both are fighting each other. The market is not movement that much huge this between days. So almost April month, so still this is October. So between times, so market is not went up more points and down. So this is very range bound market. Here after you see that guys, once this break the lines, you may see that definitely the market goes fall on next zone level. So otherwise the market will be come on this point, will be taking other buying pressure will be happen, means those goes up, then break up means they go huge point. So you see that from future the market whether going down or ups based on these lines, because the market will be huge pressure. The buyers sellers are fighting between the two lines, but when the fighting, definitely that one guy will be more strength. The whether buyers or sellers we don't know. Once buyers will be dominated, the market will be broke up this line 2150 the most, up to we target 2600. Otherwise the market sellers fighters will be win this place. Definitely market will be fall still 1900, 1800, 1600 levels. We teach one by one basics onwards from coming videos. Now you see that, just you see this connecting the lines and what is buying pressure, selling pressure, you know that thing only. So you see that TCS. So I may mark the two lines here. You see that I say the two lines. Two lines is there. So you connecting, you see that here buying pressure I will be connected 1 to 2 3 points. Here selling pressure I will connected. So you see the market with once the touch the line, the market automatically they fall down. So fall down, here fall down, here went up. Once they break the line, the market is, you see that guys, 2600 or point, then afterwards the market went up to 2900 without any drawdowns. So this is the very magical happens in the lines. So once you break these lines, definitely the market went up some huge points. The market fall down our exacting what we draw that line, definitely the market fall down, we have more profits and more ends. So this swing traders, so you may hold on quarterly, off-ly, like that of guys, you may use this, draw the lines, how to know that buying pressure, selling pressure, definitely you get some points. So we have put some other videos also, how the buyers or sellers dominated in long time, short time, everything. So be on touch with us. So before thing, just see the Telegram channel. Today so many people that subscribed, and so many people we have to teach our classes in via English and then Tamil. So you take some kinds of feedback today. So thank you so much, so beautiful, because our strategy is very, very simple. We know we don't use any indicators and any technical terms. We don't use anything. We're using simple tricks on based on last 15 years markets. So see that after the finish the market, the person was so happy with us. So heartfelt was they will be replying the insights to see that. So like this, so many people today joined that, and the courses will be going on. So if you want any updates, you may contact via Telegram and WhatsApp. Thank you guys. We see you on another video.